my name is Israel Jumud. I'm presenting my research defense. Our title is A Conversion Mixed Methods Study on Patterns and Effects of Social Media Among Grade 10 Students. Chapter 1 Introduction Background of the Study. Social media has become an integral part of the adolescent's life, with platforms influencing communication, learnings, and entertainments. However, excessive use can lead to addiction, negatively affecting students' psychological well-being, academic performance, and social interaction under Russian 2015. Grade 10 students are at a critical developmental stage, vulnerable to addicted behavior due to academic pressures and social influences. Cass and Griffiths 2017, investigating the patterns and effects of social media addiction within this group is essential for creating effective intervention strategies in schools. Statement of the problem. First, what are the patterns of social media use among grade 10 students? Second, to what extent are grade 10 students addicted to social media? Third, what psychological, academic, and social effects are associated with social media addiction in these students? Fourth, how do students perceive their social media usage and its impact on daily lives? Last, what strategies do students use to manage or cope with social media addiction? Objectives of the study. First, to quantify the prevalence and patterns of social media addiction among grade 10 students. Second, to explore the psychological, academic, and social effects of social media addiction. Third, to understand students' perceptions and experiences regarding their social media use. Fourth, to identify coping mechanisms adopted by addicted students. Last, to provide recommendations for school-based intervention addressing social media addiction. Significance of the study. This study offers comprehensive insight for educators, counselors, parents, and policymakers, combining numerical data with personal experiences to inform prevention and support programs that promote healthier social media use among adolescents. Scope and delimitation. The research targets grade 10 students at Tato Pangulima Integrated School. It examines their social media usage patterns, addiction levels, perceived effects, and coping strategies. The study focuses particularly on common social media platforms relevant to Filipino youth. It excludes other forms of media addiction and students from other grade levels. Chapter 2 Review of Related Literature. Social media addiction is characterized by compulsive use, withdrawal symptoms, and negative impacts on daily functioning. Andreasen 2015. Studies indicate high prevalence among adolescents worldwide, with Filipino youth showing increasing vulnerability. Sampson 2023. Psychological effects indicate anxiety, depression, and reduced self-esteem, while academically addiction correlates with lower grades and poor concentration. Cass and Griffiths 2017. Social effects involve diminished face-to-face interaction and social isolation. Miguel 2023. Coping strategies vary from self-regulation to seeking support from peers and family. Shen 2021. Mixed methods research effectively uncovers the complexity of addiction by combining statistical trends with rich personal narratives. Criswell and Planner Clark 2018. Chapter 3, Methodology Research Design. A convergent mixed methods design was employed, merging quantitative surveys and qualitative interviews to provide holistic understandings participants. Quantitative 150 grade 10 students addicted randomly at Dato Pangulima Integrated Schools. Qualitative 15 purposively selected students identified as addicted based on survey scores. Instruments modified social media addiction scale for quantitative data. Semi-structured interview guide for qualitative exploration. Data collection. Surveys administered in classrooms. Interviews conducted individually in private settings. Data analysis. Quantitative data analyzed using descriptive and inferential statistics. Qualitative data transcribes and subjected to thematic analysis. Integration occurred by comparing and interpreting findings from both strands. Chapter 4, Results and Discussion. Quantitative results indicate that a significant portion of students exhibited moderate to high social media addiction, with prevalent use on platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Psychological effects reported included stress and decreased attention span, while academic impact showed increased procrastination and lower homework completion rates. Quantitative interviews themes revealed themes of emotional attachments to social pressure to stay connected, and struggles with time management. Many students expressed awareness of their addiction but felt powerless to change without support. The integration of finding highlights the bidirectional relationship between usage patterns and psychosocial outcomes, underscoring the need for multifaceted interventions. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Recommendations. Social media addiction is a widespread issue among grade 10 students at Dato Pangulima Integrated School, affecting their mental health, academics, and social life. The study recommends implementing school-based educational programs on responsible social media use, enhancing counseling services with focus on digital addiction, promoting parental involvement and digital literacy at home, encouraging time management workshops and intracurricular engagement as alternative activities. These measures aim to mitigate addiction risks and foster healthier adolescent development.